Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to apply sublimation transfers on these special Sandstone coasters. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. While similar to their ceramic counterparts, Sublimation Sandstone coasters continue to offer an easy way to decorate any coffee table, desk, or other surface with custom images and graphics. But instead of sporting a white gloss front layer, Sandstone coasters have a light front layer with a matte textured finish that gives sublimation transfers a distinct vintage look. You can fully customize these coasters with your own photos, artwork, or branding. To make preparation of your transfer easier, you'll want to add a 1/4 inch bleed to the dimensions of your transfer. This ensures complete edge-to-edge coverage and also makes positioning your transfer a whole lot easier. We also recommend keeping text and important graphic elements within a safe area, about a 1/4 inch away from the image border. Since these coasters are small, you can place multiple templates and images on a single document. Once your image is prepared, print it through your Sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, use Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings. Substrate set to ceramic tile, paper set to your paper's profile, the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, set the color mode to photographic or vivid depending on your image's level of detail. With these all set, go ahead and click Print on SPM. Now that the transfer has been printed, you can trim the images out, then use heat tape to attach the Sandstone coasters facing down on the trimmed transfers. Turn on your heat press and set it to 360 seconds at 360 degrees Fahrenheit with light pressure. If you'd like to press more than one Sandstone coaster at a time, you'll need to add an extra 30 seconds for each additional coaster. Once your machine reaches temperature, add a heat-resistant felt and parchment paper to your lower platen. As with ceramic photo tiles, heat felt will be needed to work with the more delicate nature of these coasters. Add the coasters on top with the paper side facing down, and then cover them with another sheet of parchment paper and press. Once the time reaches 0, open your machine and let the coasters cool down. After a moment, peel the transfer off the coasters quickly and the sublimation process is complete. To finish off the coasters and make them safe for delicate surfaces, you can attach the included cork backings to the back of each one. These vintage style coasters are now ready to protect your surfaces while being a very stylish holder for your favorite drinks. To learn more about sublimation and sublimation blanks, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.